friends, are you an investor who's looking to buy an investment property this year? Before you do, I want you to ask these 4 questions before you make a buying decision. Number 1, is this home rentable? Is this desirable for a renter? So the things you need to consider for that are what's the current renovation or update? Where's the location? And what's the floor plan like? Number 2, what are current market rents? Obviously, and that naturally flows into number 3. So number 3 is, what are my costs? So your costs when you're purchasing a residential rental investment is your mortgage, it's property taxes, it's insurance, it's any kind of renovation. If you end up putting a property manager in there, it would be that, and then you also always need to be saving a certain amount of money for long-term maintenance. So once you calculate that, subtract it from your market rent, you'll be able to determine whether or not you are cash flowing, which is of course what all investors want. And then your number 4 question is, does this property meet my short and long-term investment goals? So for those of you who don't know what that means, I'm going to give you an example. So let's say you were looking at a property that was a 50-foot frontage by 110 feet length, and it was an up-down rental. Let's say that it was legalized for a basement suite. It cash flowed, everything made sense. But what if your long-term goal as an investor was to do infill development? If that is your goal, then that wouldn't be a good property match for you because the length of that property isn't long enough to build infill with garage. So make sure you find a great investment realtor, honestly, that can support you along this journey. And if you like this, keep watching for more. Share, like, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.